So, obviously, these are the portable stands. Basically, these ones, the larger, taller ones, they're used for the cameras. So, as you can see on here, you can adjust the height of them. So, say you're taking a photo of someone who's quite small and low down, for example, year six, typically. They're quite short. So, you can adjust these legs to make them a lot lower. So then instead of having a high angle, you can have a straight angle on their face, which is quite important if you're going to do portraiture. This one is not for cameras. This is for the portable flashes, or it can be for what's it called? A recording device. Oh my god, it's on the tip of my tongue. You know what I mean, though. It's for one of those recording devices just for your voices, which does work. So we had to help Sir record I think it was year six actually. We had to record their play, and we used one of these for the recording device. And it did work really well. It picked up the voices so clearly. It was amazing. But these are important when doing a film if you're going to be adding a video on top. So apparently in most movies they'll shoot it and then they'll record it after with an over the top thing, because it just can't pick it up. The cameras they just can't pick up the voice well enough. So they have to use that, or a dead cat normally, which has got a funny name, but you know.